advanced manufacturing, mechanical computer aided design, and drafting programs.
Okay, let's dig into the pathway for mechanical computer aided design and drafting. The goal for this is designing product, designing the technical documentation that goes along with that. And it all starts with developing a three-dimensional model. And the software we use for this pathway is Dassault SolidWorks. Has about a 90% penetration in the Sacramento area for small to medium-sized businesses designing their own product. We have three awards to choose from. First is a skill certificate, which is the shortest. It's 5 classes and 14 college units. There are 4 classes in the ADVM 1 series that make up the core of this discipline. This certificate includes the 3 of them. You'll take ADVM 1A in your first semester, then followed by ADVM 1B in your second semester. And ADVM 1C is not required for this certificate, and you can take ADVM 1D concurrently with 1B. The final 2 classes in the series are 8-week courses, so you can finish these 2 courses in one semester. It's ADVM 2A, it's CAD for manufacturing processes, which is a prerequisite for our ADVM 3D design for additive manufacturing class. Going to the next level, we have a certificate of achievement. This adds some additional classes, so we have a total of 9 classes for 25 units. We add a graphic design class, which is Applied Art and Design 70, and it focuses on the 3 major Adobe tools so that you're well-rounded skills for document control and creation. We also require this class in the program because our ADVM 4A class uses Illustrator to drive the CNC lasers. Okay, we have again ADVM 1A and 1B, as in the previous certificate. We add an advanced CAD modeling class, ADVM 1C. The ADVM 1C is doing complex models, complex assemblies, and getting into model-based definition. And then you have your ADVM 1D, or ADVM 2A and 3D, and we add ADVM 4A, CNC cutting and fabrication level 1. And we finally wrap up with English 12, which is a business writing class for the workplace. The third award we have is the associate's degree. The core 9 classes, and this is identical to the certificate of achievement. All you have is a couple more electives to do for the associate's degree and the community college general education requirements. This does take 60 units to complete. For a full-time student, that is approximately 2 years. The skill certificate you can complete in 2 semesters or 1 year. The certificate of achievement typically take about 3 semesters to complete.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media